Armstrong offers a wide range of products that help customers operate their thermal utility systems more efficiently and safely. We operate in several institutional and industrial markets, including food, pharma, healthcare, and higher education. So I'm an application engineer in our steam and condensate division. Armstrong sells to its customers through an independent representative network. And my job is to help those reps through a number of different ways, including quoting, troubleshooting, and teaching them about our products. So we wanted to give our reps and employees a way to easily make common calculations while they're in the field at a customer site. And so the majority of our apps are calculators, and we have 52 in total. Some of them are used to size products, while others are used to compare solutions and see which ones are going to save the most amount of money. They are used somewhat internally, but they're mostly used by our reps. Yeah, so the biggest thing is that they save a lot of time. Our reps are able to accomplish more by doing the calculations, and they don't need to contact us as much. And also one of the other benefits is that when the reps go to the customers, it's nice to be able to show them on their phone that, hey, if you make these changes, you could be saving this much money over the course of a year. So we had a few calculators already, but we wanted to add more. And we also wanted to have them easily accessed for people that were out in the field. And so the best way to do that is really just take them and put them into an app. Yeah, it took us around 4 to 5 months to build these apps. Most of that time was used to modify the Excel sheets, while some of it was also used to work with marketing and get images for the apps, as well as set up distribution. I learned to create the apps on my own. Most of that was done just from experimenting with the features on the website. And it's really pretty simple to do once you've gone through it a couple times. We use Excel for all of the apps. One of the main features is you can switch between imperial and metric units for the calculators. Some of the sizing apps have built-in warnings that prevent users from sizing a product that could be potentially dangerous or could cause damage, and we don't collect any data with our apps. We compiled a list of our reps, we notified them that we were going to launch the apps, and then we basically just gave them access after that. We also made a basic instruction sheet to help new users get registered and set up the app on their phone. And we also had a web form created online for any reps that we might have missed or any new hirees. And if they filled out that form and submitted it, it would send them that instruction sheet that we made and would also notify our team to give them access. The things I like most about the apps are that they're simple and easy to use, but provide very useful information. The other nice thing is that if you are a rep and you go to a customer site and you're talking with them, it's really nice to pull up that app on your phone and show them that if they make certain changes, they could save money, and it helps build that interaction. Due to time constraints, when we initially launched the apps, the feedback we were getting was that we didn't have metric units, because we do have some reps that are over in Europe and Asia, so they were sending us a lot of requests for metric units, and we implemented that slowly over time. We found OpenAs app when we were searching online for ways to develop our own apps without needing to code them ourselves. The things I like most about OpenAs app are that the apps that are developed are clean and professional looking. They have a lot of customization options that suit a wide variety of needs. It's also really fast and easy to update an app and roll it out to everyone. The main benefit we get for using Open as App is that we can easily develop and distribute our own apps without needing a third party to do it for us, which is very costly. We also didn't have someone internally available at the time to develop it as well. So given our circumstance, Open as App was really a great option.